Weather Watch 4, your most dependable forecast.
Not a huge amount of snow out there this morning, but I did a little ski-doo myself, so play it safe, back it down as we take a look at the 290 up at Williamsville at the Main Street intersection. It looks like the visibility is dropping a little bit at this location, so a little bit of light snow still coming down. Whatever does accumulate today is not going to be overly significant. We might catch dusting to maybe another inch across northern areas, maybe a couple more inches across some of the higher terrain to the south of the city, but you can see the snow is definitely tapering across the area. Not as widespread in coverage as it was during the nighttime period. In fact, you get up into Niagara and Orleans counties, very little happening up in that direction right now, or even the northern half of Genesee County. Get down to the Pennsylvania border. Looks like the snow starting to let up in that direction a little bit. Just some patchy snow showers back to the west. So definitely some improvement to be had out there, but that winter weather advisory continues a bit longer this morning for Erie, Genesee, Wyoming County, and a winter storm warning for the southern tier counties, both of those up through 11 a.m. this morning. The winter storm warning for the northern tier counties of Pennsylvania for our viewership in that direction up through 10 a.m. this morning. Well, I don't know if you remember, but we talked about this back on Friday, and I said, well, we'll be dealing with the snow at least Sunday night into Monday, starting to wind down. But our attention, of course, is always focused on this, the spring countdown, 27 more days before the official arrival of the spring season. Let's check your weather for today. A little bit of snow coming down early this morning, 22 degrees. Things improve getting into the midday and the afternoon. By 5 p.m., we're down to 18. A little bit colder this afternoon, but that wind still kind of a factor pretty much right through the afternoon. So we're going to be dealing with some blowing and some drifting snow, especially in open rural areas, and not only in the north-south roads, but the east-west roads as well. Super Microcast definitely showing the diminishing trend to the snow across the area today as it winds down from west to east. Maybe even some breaks of sun in areas to the north of Buffalo this afternoon. Now, another storm is going to be passing by just south of the region for tonight, and snow associated with that's going to creep right up to the Pennsylvania line, the New York border here again, to the south of the city during the overnight period. So once again, maybe a steadier period of snow redeveloping for a while tonight in the northern tier counties of Pennsylvania, and some of that maybe edging into the extreme southern sections of the southern tier. That clears out tomorrow. The snow moves out and the sunshine returns to our sky. We'll hold on to that for Wednesday, too, with moderating temperatures. Chance of some snow on most of the roads this morning, a little bit more of it going on, especially around the metro and areas just to the south. As we take a peek at the temps, 19 degrees at Buffalo right now, 21 from the Falls, and 21 down here at Jamestown, 25 at Bradford, reading starting to dip a little bit. The wind chill temperature in Buffalo right now, 4 degrees above zero. Here's your forecast details for this President's Day. Snow tapering off, drifting snow in open areas, a dusting to an inch up to the north, and maybe a couple inches, especially to the south of the city. Some breaks of sun develop this afternoon up north, 23 to 27. Overnight, another round of snow on the Pennsylvania line, maybe an inch or two in that direction. Just a chance of a few flurries elsewhere, 5 to 15. Then tomorrow, becoming partly to mostly sunny, chance of a flurry, 19 to 23 degrees. Pretty nice on Wednesday, mostly sunny, not as cold, low to mid-30s. Some rain showers in here, highs near 40 on Thursday, and another bout of light snow, 32 on Friday.